there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
Backlash written on me, card rubbing on a glass bowl. I've been ballin', free my lady singing, coming down. I'm already out, already on the countdown. I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me, cold running from the popo, and it's on me. Don't know which way we're going now, I don't wanna know it. Might as well be going down, I don't wanna know it.
We're going up.
What's going on, everyone? Back at Magic Kingdom tonight. It's a really super quick trip. We just got here like 15 minutes ago. The park closes at 10. We're going to get on Buzz. There's like maybe no wait. We've got a fast pass. Taylor got one for us. But it's Taylor and I and Nate and Veronica.
And tonight's about me and Veronica.
And Nate's on the wrong side, so he's not getting in.
You gotta hurry.
We're going under, there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story. We're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
Backlash written on me, card rubbing on a glass bowl. I've been ballin', free my lady singing, coming down.
Screamed when a firework went off.
But you guys missed it.
Perfect timing.
I don't think it's very safe to walk backwards up the moving ramp.
You don't know us.
Nobody said you can't walk backwards. That's the thing.
Where's the rules? You know what's
Hey, Annie.
All right, so we are actually getting on the TTA so that we can kind of get the fireworks as it's moving. Should be pretty cool view.
We're going up. We're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
So we just got on to the People Mover, saw some of the fireworks. We're now gonna book it over to Thunder Mountain. So we have a fast pass for Thunder Mountain. And after we ride Thunder Mountain, we're gonna go do Splash Mountain. I know it's a shock because I never do that, but I'm hoping to not get all that wet. And then I don't know what we're gonna do because the park closes at 10 o'clock and we don't really have that much time left.
Backlash written on me.
We're going under, there's nothing we can do.
Already on the countdown, I'ma set it right. Already on the countdown, I'ma set it right.
It's such a heartbeat.
I think we're now in a race with Nate and Veronica. More just Nate and Taylor. Because Veronica's back there and Nate and Taylor are racing.
Okay, so we're about to get on Thunder Mountain, and I am like sweating so bad because Nate and I literally took off sprinting
But the
to
problem
get here.
is that when Taylor sweats, you can't tell. But when I sweat, I look like I just got off Splash Mountain. My things are soaked.
I feel like I need to ride Splash Mountain now
Just
though
to cover it all
because
up.
we're so sweaty.
Might as well stink too.
But anyway, we are riding Thunder Mountain now. So we're about to ride the wildest ride in the wilderness, except we're in the front car.
I'm telling her not to be upset. Don't be upset. It's only for Splash Mountain. Do they get that? Why I say
We're
that?
doing it for the vlog.
Do it for the vlog.
We gotta make Splash Mountain before park close. It is 9:46, park closes at 10, so we gotta get to Splash Mountain by like 9:59.
If any of you ask the question,
Let's move them, because this is the wildest ride in the wilderness!
It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
So it's literally like a 5-second walk between Thunder Mountain and Splash.
We have 9
For
minutes.
some reason, Taylor felt the need to take off sprinting over to Splash. She doesn't think we're gonna make it.
Disney Marathon.
We're gonna make it though, unless they've closed it off.
No,
Because of the wait time. You know, you never know.
Don't be saying this negative stuff.
We made it just in time for Splash Mountain.
So I literally can't believe I'm actually getting on this ride right now. But I guess pretty much after this we're done. So it's not like I really have to walk around for very long with wet shorts. So we made it into the line, and this is the end of the standby right now. I think it's about a 20-minute wait.
It's not even. It's not even.
There's not going to be much fast pass people, so it shouldn't be long.
It doesn't matter, it's the end of the park anyway.
Yeah.
You want to
It
put
is.
this on your lap so you don't get soggy pants?
Oh, there you go.
I'd have to like sit in
Soggy
it.
bottom boys.
We're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest.
Nate's going to tell you what we're about to do because it was his idea.
We're going 1, 1, 1, and 1. All on Splash Mountain.
There's 4 rows. We're
people.
all got our own row.
I'm going to tell you what we're doing. We're sitting 1, 1, 1, and 1.
It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story. We're going under.
We're going to the laughing place.
The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
Call me, call, popping on the glass bowl. I've been ballin'. 3 more ladies ain't counting now. I'm already out.
Check out that pose, everybody.
You kind
That's
of look
right.
like you're doing.
So I guess after the park closes and you're an adult, you can come hang out in the laughing place.
Yo, I have never been able to come in here.
Josh, where are you at, homie?
Go, go, go! Woo! Hold the phone.
Hold the phone.
Go in.
You got it. You gotta pick your feet up so you slide.
No. Taylor, how come you slid?
I don't know. Chugga chugga choo choo, train's coming into town.
Just hanging out in the clubhouse.
You stand
Ow.
up in here.
Somebody dropped their popcorn in here.
Somebody's poisoned the water hole.
There's a snake in my boot.
I have never spent this most time here. Like,
Yeah, this is pretty crazy. I would like to point this out real quick. Welcome to the laughing place.
Everybody's got a laughing place.
Wait, I almost
2 to 5 years old.
5 years old.
2.
So we're good.
So we are now heading out of Magic Kingdom. There's nobody here. It's like 10:30. It's been a half hour after the park is closed. It's a little bit creepy.
It's like a ghost town, right? No, it's awesome.
It's like a ghost. There's literally nobody around at all.
No.
Oh! Sorry. Taylor and I can share.
did you get one?
Nate was very nice
I
to
hope you
go in
found
and
it dropping on the ground.
get us some cups of water. And then Taylor knocked mine off.
It fell. I tried to catch it. Thank
I
you.
didn't see what happened, but I know that water fountain down by Splash Mountain's got
There you
some good water.
Big cup in this store. In this store. We're going up. We're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, on behalf of everyone here at the Magic Kingdom, we thank you for joining us today for a magical gathering of family, friends,
Can you
fun,
see us in that?
and fantasy.
Final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a
This is what happens late at night.
heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story. We're going under.
Hey, we're taking the monorail. I think it's still open.
We're We're taking the monorail.
And it's there.
We're walking
We're
to
gonna miss
Contemporary.
it.
Bye, guys.
Josh is being a sweaty goose pants.
He's the soggy bottom boy.
There, soggy bottom boy.
See you
Bye,
guys.
Brandon girl.
Glitter girl.
So this concludes our night. Super late. Actually, it's not really that late.
It's almost midnight.
It's almost 11:30. I am starving, which means that we're gonna have to stop and grab a little snack,
We
maybe.
were supposed to go eat dinner with Nate and Veronica, but Josh is a little Krabby Patty.
After work. It's pretty cool. If you've never actually shut down the park before,
You should do it.
it's something that you should definitely try. At least once, while you're on vacation. Just be here late. It makes for some really great photos where
Yeah.
there's just nobody around.
We got some cool photos laying down on the ground in front of the castle, and then we got a cool Michael K was there. We just happened to run into him, and he got a really cool exposure shot of all of us in front of the castle.
And we arrived just in time for the monorail. So we're gonna jump on the monorail.
We're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this storm.